Hello gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. In today's video, I am working in my year of savings. I have $100 in prop money, so let's get into saving. Okay, look at you busting that binder all open like that. All right, so we got save every Friday of 2025. This goes towards the extra payment of debt. We are going to go ahead and save $19 for September 19. So 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Perfect. Let's add it up really quick. Look at that. We is almost done with the year. It's crazy. 2025 is flying. Next, we have our weekly savings for my son's senior year, class of 2026. And this is created by Norella's Budgets. And I am rolling a D8. What are we saving this week? $1. Ew. No, slam. This is just saving $1. I am so excited. We are, I think, pretty soon going to have a little parent meeting where they order cap and gowns and stuff like that. So it is just happening real fast, and the school just started. Next, I am saving. This is Save with Judy. Each icon is $5. So we are going to put our 5 in. And this is also saving for his senior year. I already got some of the school fees already. So, gonna have to pay that because he does take college credit. So you have to pay for, like, the school pays for the tuition. I'm just responsible for, like, the books, which isn't that bad. Well, some of the price of the book. So yeah, he attends 2 community colleges. All right, so next is Santa's Coming to Town. And this is created by Mischief Managed Budgets in Champagne's Corner. And I am putting the $20 in. Let's get my calculator. Oops, let's put that $20 right there. Scoot things over. $20. I just realized last time I wrote a D6 and on here I put D4. So, yeah. I don't know what I was thinking. So we are going to roll this D4. $1. This is going to take forever. So minus $1. I'm just going to keep playing until that $20 is gone. We got 3. So minus 3. We got a 2. Minus 2. 4. Minus 4. 3. Minus 3. Oops. 4 minus 4. Oh, we're going to stop there because we do not want to IOU. So we finished that one. Finished that one. We don't have enough to do this one. So we are going to just put $3 over here. Let's get a red marker and put 3 here. All right, and then minus 3. All right, that's $20 for Christmas. And I'm saving Christmas in this binder and in my holiday binder. And I'm almost done with saving for Christmas in this binder because my goal for Christmas is 1,000. And so I separated 500 in this binder and 500 in the other binder, my holiday binder. So we are adding the 20 into here. And where's my pen? Oh. So we are going to put plus 20. So 441 plus 20, we add 461. Heck yeah. So yes, 500 gold for this, and we be done out of this binder. And this binder with this 500, I would get each kid 200 for Christmas because I let them do their own Christmas shopping, and I might get them one big gift. And then the other 100 would be for my Christmas dinner. So getting things for that, and then the holiday binder, the other 500 will be for, like I said, maybe a big gift for both of them, or several small gifts, a gift for my husband, and of course a gift to myself, duh. So yes, and like stocking stuffers and stuff like that. Okay, so next we are doing say $2,025 in 2025. And this go towards my taxes. Boring, but it has to be done. Part of being an adult. All right. So we're going to just put the rest of this if we can. So there's 20, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. What? Yeah, $55. Okay. So we're going to put $55. So let's go ahead and knock this big baby out. So minus 30. Okay, let's do 30 here. And this is created by the Almost Organized Owl. Okay, so we got what that say? 25. Oh, we have a 25. So let's go ahead and knock that one. Or should I? See, this one I complicate things and try to do too much. Because I'm like, I could do some smaller ones. Or should I just go ahead? Let's go ahead and knock out the big ones, you know. Let's do this color. I should have did orange up here too. Oh yeah, I should have did orange. Oh well. Boom. And then minus 25, $0. Perfect. All right. And just like that, $100 put into my year of savings. Woo-wee. And then once I finish the Christmas, I don't know what I'm gonna put in here. Probably some more challenges to help me with the son's graduation. All right. Thank you, Gems, for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, Gems.